ओम।
भाग क्यों रहे हो?
We'll miss the bus.
तुम मुझसे जाने दो।
Don't you want to go?
ये मिस हो गई तो दूसरी ले लेंगे ना।
Hello.
सुंदर है ना? हम तो कभी टेम्स फेरी राइड पे भी नहीं।
वहाँ थोड़ा जल्दी करना. The last bus is at 10:30. Miss the bus.
Parkin? Have you forgotten we're expecting guests?
My. And what shall I call you? Lady Chatterley?
Enough. Go get ready now. You haven't even cooked, have you? क्या खिलाएंगे उनको?
No, I have not cooked, my lady, but I have cleaned the house and disposed of the trash. Anything else my lady needs?
How does your lady look?
As always, my lady. Irresistible.
And is my servant going to present himself as a coolie to the guests?
Oh, your guests are commoners. Why even does my lady care?
I do,
Why?
because I'm the lady.
And what if I rob my lady of her finery by the time they arrive?
My servant must be mindful of the time. The guests will be arriving any moment.
Guests can wait.
So can my servant.
No. No, he cannot, my lady.
Why?
Because my lady looks irresistible.
Where are we? No network. What place is this?
बताया था नेटवर्क नहीं होगा.
What kind of friends are these? पिक करने भी नहीं आ सकते थे. कैसे जाएंगे अब?
वॉक कर लेंगे. देखो कितना अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है. बस 10 मिनट लगेंगे. बताया था उसने. देखो ड्राइंग भी कितनी सुंदर बना रखी है. हाँ?
It's this way.
जंगल के रास्ते शॉर्टकट है. पूछा था मैंने. वो शांति है ना.
Shanti nahi, Samnata. Only two kinds of people need this kind of quiet. Artists and...
हाँ तो तुम्हें पता है ना वो एक्ट्रेस है.
Actress है तो doesn't she need to go for her shoots? Travel कैसे करती होगी?
इतना सड़ा सा मुंह बनाकर मत जाओ आंसू. पहली बार किसी के घर जा रहे हैं. थोड़ा मुस्कुरा दोगे तो पैसे नहीं कट जाएंगे.
Right. What?
ये
थोड़ा वेट कर लेंगे यार.
टाइम तो ठीक है. टाइम से ही आए हैं.
No. Stop. And fix your hair.
पैरों की आवाज आ रही है. देखो सुनो.
Hi.
हेलो सानिया.
I'm Rohit. Hi.
Dr. Basukinath.
Welcome. Welcome, Dr. Nag. Please.
नॉट नाग. नाथ. बासुकी नाम.
I'm so sorry. Dr. Nath.
Hey, you may call me Basuki, mate.
Basuki. Basuki.
ईरा.
Hi.
Shall we come in?
Of course. Please. Please. Sania's right here. You shut the door, please. Come in, please. Sania is right here. Ira and Basuki Nath.
Hi. How are you? Wow. Thank you. Hi.
प्यारा घर है.
Good evening.
बड़े अमीर हो तुम लोग यार. वेरी नाइस.
Oh, I'll get that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Please. Okay, first of all, बताओ क्या पियोगे? कुछ नया ट्राई करोगी?
बिल्कुल ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है.
और डॉक्टर साहब आपके लिए?
I'm good. Thank you.
Come on, don't be formal.
We don't drink.
मैं ऑरेंज जूस लूंगी.
अरे ये क्या बात हुई?
Come on, Basuki. Don't be a spoil sport. ड्रिंक्स के बिना पार्टी कैसे होगी?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ड्रिंक्स नहीं लेते।
अच्छा, मुझे तो मालूम नहीं था।
अच्छा, जूस ही पीना है तो ऑरेंज क्यों? कुछ मजेदार पिलाता हूँ ना।
मजेदार क्या?
जैसे आई डोंट नो, कीवी या गूसबेरी, रेड करंट। या
Wow.
या
It's such a wonderful host.
रेड करंट लूंगी मैं।
ओके, आपके लिए भी रेड करंट सर?
No. Plain orange juice, please.
You don't want to try?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Just plain and simple orange juice would be wonderful.
बेस्ट रहेगा।
Okay, yeah, I'll take that.
थैंक यू।
I'll light the fire.
Sanya? Sanya?
क्या हो गया? What?
यहाँ तो रेड करंट है ही नहीं। What do we do now?
Thank God orange juice है, वरना मार डालता तुम्हें। No thanks. Just plain and simple orange juice, please.
इतना खड़ूस क्यों है ये आदमी?
डॉक्टर है ना?
हेडमास्टर लगता है। ईरा बेचारी को ऑरेंज जूस पिलाऊं? That should be good. Your orange juice, sir.
Sorry, ईरा, रेड करंट खराब हो गया। Don't worry, Basuki. Orange juice is absolutely fine.
मुझे तो रेड करंट चाहिए था।
अरे टेस्ट तो करो।
क्यों करूं? तुमने तो बोला था रेड करंट लाके दोगे, तो लाके दो।
Ira, behave.
Give it a try, love.
कैसा है ऑरेंज जूस?
बेस्ट ऑरेंज जूस। बक्सा ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है? गरम कपड़े रखते हो?
इसमें नहीं, गरम कपड़े थोड़ी, इसमें वो एक डेड बॉडी।
He's kidding.
लॉर्ड कर्जन की।
बेचारा लॉर्ड कर्जन।
Who is Lord Curzon?
पूछ लो, अंदर है उसके।
Enough, Rohit.
Sorry.
मजाक कर रहा है।
Of course. लेकिन मजाक मजाक में भी अगर किसी को इसके अंदर डाला है तो he'll die of asphyxiation.
As fuck what?
Asphyxiation. Lack of oxygen. No human being can survive without that for more than 3 minutes.
Oh. Wow, Doc, you really know your shit, huh? This is gonna be fun.
Stop it, Rohit. His sense of humor is really crooked.
Yeah, just a bit.
Ira, let's get you some more orange juice, and I'll show you the house.
Can you open that trunk? What? Can't I crack a joke?
इनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है.
Oh my God. Good joke, Doc. Can I open the trunk? Oh man.
वाओ. घर के नीचे भूल भुलैया बनाया है. हाँ?
Wine cellar.
सच में बहुत अमीर हो. रोहित से भी मिलकर बिल्कुल नहीं लगा कि पहली बार मिल रही हूँ.
He's funny. मुझे भी नहीं लगता कि मैं उसे इतने दिनों से जानती हूँ.
बड़ा खुराफाती है ना.
खुरा हुआ?
खुराफाती.
खुराफाती?
Means naughty.
Oh. Or he could be wicked.
अच्छा.
मतलब कि ऐसा भी मजाक कोई करता है?
लॉर्ड पर्सन. टॉक्सिक के अंदर.
बासुकी को पता है?
तो सर वैसे आप कौन वाले डॉक्टर हैं?
What do you know about medical science?
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. एक दो बार अस्पताल जा चुका हूँ. एक बार सस्पेक्टेड डेंगू के लिए, टाइफॉइड. अब मुझे ठीक से याद नहीं है, पर मेरी नानी ने बताया था कि मैं पैदा भी अस्पताल में हुआ था. अंडर अ डॉक्टर सुपरविजन. इमेजिन.
तो मेडिकल साइंस मतलब हॉस्पिटल्स. वेरी नाइस.
नहीं नहीं, डॉक्टर्स भी, नर्सेस भी.
Medical sciences isn't about doctors, hospitals, or nurses, Mr. Rohit.
Oh,
It's about human life. The sanctity of human life. Had you known this, you wouldn't joke about death.
you think it was a joke? Come on, yeah, doctor. I got you again. Nah? Nah? Sorry. Excuse me, huh?
तुम्हारे? वाह. कब पहनती हो ये सब? मैंने तो नहीं देखा.
On special occasions.
सीरियसली?
ट्राई करना है?
पूरी कार्टून लगूंगी.
कार्टून नहीं. क्वीन.
वो बुढ़िया.
Your doctor will go crazy. Try it once.
सच्ची? वसुकी कैसी लग रही हूँ? कैसी लग रही हूँ? नहीं पसंद आया तुम्हें? दूसरा ट्राई करके आओ।
Someone is inside.
यहाँ इनसाइड।
Knock कर रहा
रोहित मजाक कर रहा था बस।
है। I don't know when he is.
कुछ नहीं है वासु।
Listen now. Now.
मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा।
How can you possibly listen if you're constantly blabbering? Just focus.
कान ज्यादा तेज हो गई और आंखें कमजोर।
Can't you remain shut up even for a second, Ira?
कान लगाकर सुनते रहो। हो सकता है अंदर चूहे उछल रहे हो, लेकिन जो सामने है वो तो दिखता ही नहीं है।
She's pretty, isn't she? Rohit, are you blushing?
What? No.
You like her, don't you?
अच्छा, ये सब छोड़ो। उन्हें डिनर पे क्या खिलाएंगे? We need to think.
जरा भी फिक्र नहीं है ना मेरी? पहली बार तो आए कहीं साथ। मन नहीं लग रहा तो चलते हैं।
एक्सप्रेस आने में टाइम है अभी।
तो बस स्टॉप पे जाके वेट कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे मुंह सड़ा कर बैठने से तो बेटर ही होगा। चलो।
What stress is this?
अभी देखी तुम्हें? बोलो ना, अच्छी लग रही हो ना?
ये पहन के जाओगी वापस? Just go and return.
वापस जाने।
What do you think? नीचे क्या हो रहा है?
बाबा बासुकी नाच से कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
अच्छा,
बाजी लगा लो।
not even a kiss.
देख लो तुम। क्या बोला था?
Such an ass, Mike. Poor girl. What's happened here? What's going on? Queen Victoria का भी असर नहीं हुआ. Rohit, get her an orange juice, please. Let's order some pizza first. Then we'll talk about it.
What's there in the trunk?
Okay, Basuki, that was a joke, and it's over now. Let's talk about food. We can order either pizza or Chinese.
Trunk. Can you open the trunk?
Haha, good joke, Basuki.
I'm serious.
So am I. Pizza or Chinese?
He hates Chinese.
So pizza then.
Okay. So, what does he like?
We never go out.
Do you hear that?
Okay, I'm ordering pizza for everyone.
A vegetariana for Basuki with no onion, no garlic, and no ginger.
No ginger.
And no yellow bell pepper.
Oh.
Okay, okay. What about you? I want a chicken tikka masala.
Me please.
Okay, so one chicken tikka masala, one vegetarian, no garlic, no onion, no ginger. Finally,
I'll share Rohit's meat feast. Rohit, you're good at ordering.
Yeah. Come on, you help me. Come.
Basuki. Sorry. Rohit shouldn't have started it. It was a bad joke to begin with. Thank you for meeting us. We really wanted to meet you. Rohit was planning to cook for you, but things happened. ईरा आपके बारे में बहुत बातें करती है. She really cares about you. You're a lucky guy.
She talks about you too. So, you're a big shot, an actress?
Have you seen my films?
No. I don't get time for any of that. But I've seen the poster. And of course, Ira se to suna hi hai. अच्छी एक्टर हो.
Thank you.
ट्रंक में क्या है?
Come on now. Don't kill our joke.
चाबी का है?
Good evening. Her Majesty's Pizza.
Yeah, hi. Okay, we'd like to order 2 number 23s, 1 number 7, and 1 number 31 with customization.
So, 1 number 23 with customization.
No, number 31 with customization. And the customization is as follows. No bell pepper, no onion and garlic, and no... Ginger. No ginger.
बस एक बार देखना चाहता हूँ.
Come on. I thought you had a sense of humor.
Well, I don't know if it even has ginger in it.
So how can I remove it? Can't remove ginger.
No, I'm saying I don't even know if it even has ginger in it. So how can I remove it?
अदरक नहीं हटा सकते. अदरक खाती तो हो घर पे.
कितना ख्याल रखती है तुम्हारा?
All right, no. I'm going to repeat everything one last time, okay? 2 number 23s, 1 number 7, 1 number 31 with customization, no ginger.
नहीं अदरक चलेगी.
Oh God. Okay, sorry. Number 31 with customization, let the ginger be.
So 23 is with customization, and number 7 you want.
No, you got it all wrong. What's wrong with you? Let me repeat everything. 1 chicken tikka, no onion, no garlic.
No. Vegetarian Anna with no onion, no garlic, no ginger.
Said he can't remove ginger.
No, I didn't say I
Can't remove ginger. I
said I don't know if it even has ginger in the first place.
Okay. Listen to me very carefully, mate. I'm going to repeat myself again.
All right.
1 chicken tikka with everything. 1 meat feast with everything. No, sorry, 2 meat feasts with everything. 1 vegetariana with no onion, no garlic, but with ginger. Now, you repeat it.
All right, 1 meat feast, no onion, no garlic, 1 chicken tikka masala, and 1 vegetariana with extra ginger.
What the fuck is wrong with you? You've got all the numbers wrong. Isn't vegetariana number 31?
No,
What? Why it says number 31 in the menu here?
I think you've got the old menu.
Oh, that is not my problem. You deal with it. Get my order right. Thank you very much. Long live the Queen.
Long live the.
Fucking dicks.
It's okay. Deep breath लो. You did a good job.
Careful.
थोड़ा फीका नहीं है? कुछ गाना शाना बजाए?
Sure.
पानी. ये कैसा सीडी है? इतना बड़ा? यहाँ ना सब कुछ थोड़ा बड़ा ही होता है. सिर्फ ये देश छोटा. कैसा भूतिया म्यूजिक है. डांस करें.
Yes.
लॉर्ड कर्जन भी ऐसे ही नाचता होगा.
Enough. What, you're drunk? क्या पी रही हो? क्या पी रही हो?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Orange juice? What's going on here? Why are you corrupting my wife?
Corrupting?
करप्ट मतलब भ्रष्ट हो गई मैं ऑरेंज जूस पी के.
Who's Lord Curzonera? कैसे जानती हो उसे? कहाँ मिली?
Basuki, not again, please.
I'm talking to my wife. Please don't interfere. Kamili, it was a joke.
Fucking shut up! You and your wife have spiked my wife's thing and now you're telling me it's a fucking joke?
She's not my wife.
Whatever, you tell me. कौन है Lord Curzon? बताओ, कहाँ मिली, कैसे जानती हो उसे?
पब में।
पब? हाँ?
खाने चली जाती हूँ कभी-कभी दिन में।
पब में जाती हो?
सॉरी बासु, तुम्हें बता देना चाहिए था। गलती हो गई, आगे से नहीं करूँ। पक्का प्रॉमिस।
कितनी बार मिली?
किससे?
लॉर्ड कर्जन से और किससे?
नहीं मिली, कभी नहीं मिली।
कितनी बार हीरा?
बस एक या दो बार।
एक क्या दो बार?
बस पता नहीं तुम क्या समझ रहे हो, बस देखा था उसे।
देखा था? What do you do when you देखो him? What do you do when you meet him, हीरा?
बस तुम सब गलत समझ रहे हो। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग घर चलते हैं फिर मैं।
Tell me, what do you do when you meet him, हीरा?
What do you do when you meet him, हीरा?
क्या कर लूंगी बुड्ढे के साथ? एक पैर तो कब्र में है उसकी।
What do you do when you meet him? Answer that!
उसे डेट किया था, ओके?
I knew it.
एक्चुअली डेटिंग नहीं, मैं तो सिर्फ मजे ले रही थी। बुढ़ा सिर्फ देखने में ही बुढ़ा था।
Good afternoon, Mr. Curzon. Would you care to try something new for lunch today? We have Plowman's lunch. Bangers and mash?
No. Just fish and chips, please.
कितना सैड है ना ये साला बुढ़ा। पता नहीं जिंदगी में इसने फिश एंड चिप्स के अलावा भी कुछ खाया है कि नहीं।
Sanya, let him eat his fish and chips and die. Who cares?
एक्चुअली डेटिंग नहीं, फ्लिंग था। डिटेल में बताऊं? कब किया, कहाँ किया, कैसे किया। लॉर्ड कर्जन। क्या अजीब थी साले की। The way he would swirl it around, wet already. What a man. A real man.
Where's that bastard? Okay then.
What are friends for? He's already dead, doctor. You want a drink to celebrate?
I've had enough of this.
Wait.
Is he in the trunk? Dead? Open the trunk. Trunk hole.
सोच लो.
No, I don't trust any of you. Open the trunk, I need to see him dead.
पूरे पागल हो गए हो क्या?
Shut up! Stay out of it, okay? Get the key. Open the trunk.
Ah, oh, चाबी. Yeah. Sure. चाबी. Oh, चाबी तो है नहीं.
Break it open then, I don't care.
ऐसा करो, सानिया से पूछ लो. वो बोलेगी तो खोल दूंगा.
Tranquil.
बोला ना, सानिया से पूछो, उसका है.
Funny, man. No more jokes, please.
मजाक कौन कर रहा है, डॉक्टर?
Oh my God.
Give me the key.
Are you out of your mind?
Just want to check it once.
It's a joke. Why don't you get that?
Said, give me the key.
Right there, Bocho.
Don't try to act smart.
I'm telling you, Rohit ke paas hai.
Okay. If this is how you want to play it, I'm coming in.
Stop it!
I'm coming in.
Bitch!
Now tell me, who the fuck is Lord Cousin?
कैसे अंग्रेज हो यार? अपनी हिस्ट्री नहीं जानते?
No jokes, please. Who is Lord Cousin? Where is he?
सिटीजनशिप कैसे दे दिया भाई तुम्हें? हैं? हिस्ट्री टेस्ट नहीं लिया तुम्हारा? लाखों इंडियंस मर गए उसके राज में, भूख के मारे, अकाल में.
Will you want क्या? Huh? Don't fucking waste my time. Tell me, where is Lord Cousin? Who is he?
साले नकली अंग्रेज. तुम ना चाहकर भी उनके जैसा नहीं बन सकते. मार लो अगर दम है तो.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? He's there. He's still alive. He's in this. I'll kill him.
It's the door.
Shh! Don't try to divert me, okay? Just get the key. Just open this.
Asphyxiation. भूल गए डॉक्टर. How can he be alive in a trunk? Huh?
Open the door, Basuki. It's the pizza.
Her Majesty's pizza? That'll be £24, 62p, ma'am.
Hang on, I'll get the money.
Sure.
पिज्जा वाला है
Pizza.
25 पाउंड देने 25 पाउंड
What? होस्ट ये है कि मैं?
अरे तू खोलो मुझे, मैं लेके आता हूँ.
No.
उसके पॉकेट में है.
Again, don't act smart.
Hello?
Coming, have patience.
Quick, please. I've got other deliveries to make.
नहीं अंग्रेजी झाड़ा है वापस दे दूं
अरे नहीं भूख लगी है यार, है ना?
कोई तो पैसे दो मेरे पास नहीं है वरना दे देती
Can you ever keep quiet, Ira?
Oh,
What the
Don't be alarmed. It's just a game.
You all right, mate?
yeah, man. It's just a game. Very much like our prime time entertainment.
Oh, how cool.
You wanna try it?
Nah, not tonight.
Come on, try it.
Nah, I've got pizzas to deliver.
It's fun.
Yeah. Looks like a lot of fun.
Okay, go ahead, take the wallet from his pocket and get going.
From his pocket.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. That just seems wrong. I'm not gonna do that.
You fucking will.
Go ahead.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
Easy.
There's nothing in here.
Did you check the pizzas? Made sure there's no garlic, onion, ginger.
Yeah, the meat feast. There's no onion or garlic.
What?
There's nothing in here.
The other pocket. The meat feast is without onion.
and vegetarian
Well, I suppose there's onions. Well, there's no wallet, but it feels like a key.
Onions. Hey, leave him. We don't want your pizzas. Take them back.
I'm sorry, sir. We don't accept returns.
Take them back, I say.
Listen, you keep it or you throw it, you still gotta pay.
I want to speak to your manager.
No,
Excuse me.
I'm the manager.
Mr. Manager, take them away.
I'm hungry.
You still gotta pay, sir.
Bullshit. Listen, mate. We don't want your fucking pizzas. Get the hell out of here, or I'll tie you up as well. Let's play.
All right, then.
Wait. What did you say you found in my pocket?
There's no money in it.
Yeah, but what did you find?
Fucking key, bruv.
Thank you very much. What are you waiting for? Fucking leave now. Bye.
Yeah, enough.
Fuck's sake, fucking weirdos. Fucking brownies.
Shut the door. Onions.
अब नहीं देखना डॉक्टर साहब कि ट्रंक में क्या है? Hello? You heard him, right? I have the key. The key.
Happy now? बताया था मजाक है।
खोल रही हूँ उनको।
Thank you.
Glenn, the knock I heard.
बोला ना कान बज रहे हैं। अब पता लगा?
I feel terrible for what I did to you.
माफी मांगनी ही है तो अपनी वाइफ से मांगो। You really hurt her.
ये नहीं समझेंगे।
ये सब कुछ मजाक था। I hope you understand now. ईरा ने जो कुछ लॉर्ड कर्जन के बारे में बोला, सब कुछ।
वो लॉर्ड कर्जन है भी सच में या नहीं?
बोला ना ये नहीं समझे।
Vasuki, you're really lucky. हीरा की जगह अगर मैं तुम्हारी बीवी होती, we'd be in the trunk right now.
बच गए डॉक्टर। अब तो पी लो।
मैं तो पीऊंगी। कोई कुछ भी कह ले। मुझे पीना पसंद है। शादी के पहले भी पीती थी, बाद में भी छुप छुप कर। अब खुल्लम खुल्ला पीऊंगी। Cheers.
पी लो डॉक्टर, शांति मिलेगी।
Just plain and simple orange juice, please.
नाटक मत करो, तुम भी पीते हो छुप छुप कर। मालूम है मुझे, स्मेल आती है, बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ।
अरे अरे अरे, छुपे रुस्तम निकले डॉक्टर साहब है। पी लो डॉक्टर, नहीं तो लॉर्ड कर्जन आ जाएगा।
Not again. Rohit. No more Curzon
ओके
joke.
ओके।
Okay. Get me a small one. Irish whiskey.
ये हुई ना बात डॉक्टर।
We don't drink.
वैसे अब थोड़ा थोड़ा लग रहा है कि आप आधे अंग्रेज हो।
ठीक हो?
हाँ देखो, हाँ अब ठीक है। और ये रहा आपका असली अंग्रेजी जलपान डॉक्टर साहब।
Thank you so much. And I'm very sorry about my behavior. This is actually comfortable.
हाँ?
Yeah. Thank you. I have hypertension. And that's why I sometimes find it difficult to keep my anger in check.
अरे वाह डॉक्टर, you just diagnosed yourself. Very good.
It started in my childhood.
अच्छा, पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
I was trapped inside a container for weeks.
A container?
No kidding.
No, he's not kidding.
I couldn't breathe. I don't know how I survived, and
But how did you get inside a container?
I traveled in a container to reach here. This country saved my parents, gave them a new life, a new opportunity. What did independent India have to offer them? Hunger, poverty, maybe corruption.
ओहो बासुकी इंग्लैंड ये इंग्लैंड वो महान देश है इंग्लैंड.
I am whatever I am today. It's because of this country. I would have had no future in India. And that's why I try my best to be of any service to my country.
अरे my country, my foot. इंग्लैंड को बोलते हो my country?
Yes, it's my country and these are my people.
My people? क्या वो समझते हैं आपको? My people.
Of course, I'm as much British as everybody else.
Oh really? Accent सुनिए.
How silly of me. I mean, I'm just going on and on about myself. And I hardly know you guys. What's your story? How did you come to the UK?
मैं देखती हूँ. आ रही हूँ. Hello.
Hello, Henry? Who's this?
Hello.
I want to talk to my husband, Henry. Can you please put him on the line?
Sorry, wrong number.
Wrong number? What do you mean? Listen, that's my summer home, and I want to talk to my husband, Henry. Get Henry on the phone now.
1 minute. Henry को जानता है कोई? Sorry, Henry's not here at the moment.
What do you mean he's not there? He went there this morning to get things fixed for tomorrow. And then, who are you?
I
What are you doing in my summer home?
making a drink.
In my house? What do you mean? Listen, where is Henry? I need to talk to him.
Sorry, wrong number. Long live the Queen. पागल औरत थी. बेचारी का पति खो गया. संभाल के नहीं रखा होगा ना.
पति का नाम क्या था?
Lord Curzon.
Come on, Rohit.
Sorry. आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे, डॉक्टर साहब.
How did you come here?
I had a job.
Oh, really?
हाँ, डॉक्टर साहब. नेशनल हेल्थ सिस्टम मालूम है आपको?
Of course, I'm a doctor.
वो मैंने बनाया. पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर स्केच से. सिस्टम का आर्किटेक्चर, कोर डिजाइन टीम में था मैं.
काफी अच्छा है. I mean, I use it every day. फिर क्या हुआ?
नौकरी छोड़ दी.
Why?
सोचा कुछ अपना शुरू करता हूँ. कुछ बड़ा करता हूँ लाइफ में.
That's ambitious.
I know.
Then?
वीजा के लिए एप्लीकेशन डाला. 2 साल तक कोई जवाब नहीं आया. मैं काम करता रहा क्योंकि सोचा आ ही जाएगा. फिर एक दिन जवाब आया. वीजा रिजेक्टेड.
Rejected.
हाँ, रिजेक्टेड. सेक्शन 322/5.
Wait, that's...
घबराओ मत डॉक्टर. मैं आतंकवादी नहीं हूं. इतने साल मैंने अंग्रेजों के लिए काम किया, एक बार जरा टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल करने में देर क्या कर दी, मुझ पर सेक्शन 322/5 ठोक दिया। बताओ, इतने से मैं टेररिस्ट हो गया?
यहाँ इंडिया जैसा नहीं है, ना सब कुछ टाइम पे होता है।
तुम कल अगर ऑफिस देर से पहुंचे तो टेररिस्ट हो जाओगे?
I'm never late. So how do you live here?
I don't.
What do you mean? Are you an illegal immigrant? मालूम था तुम्हें? Your friends are illegal immigrants.
तुम्हारे माँ बाप ही तो थे illegal immigrants. So what?
I might lose my job. This is not a joke.
जोक का मतलब भी मालूम है तुम्हें? It's not a joke.
Okay, अब झगड़ना मत शुरू कर देना. This is my house. You are my guests. And you never met Rohit.
हाँ, you never met me. एक और पैक डॉक्टर?
Listen, और भी कोई surprises हैं तो मुझे अभी बता दो. I don't want to get into any trouble later on.
I don't get you, Vasuki. You love this country very much. So why did you have to go to India to get a wife?
कोई गोरी पटी नहीं ना इनसे. ट्राई तो किया होगा. नहीं किया?
I choose not to discuss my private life.
कभी कुछ डिस्कस करना ही नहीं है. इनकी कोई कहानी थी क्या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. मेरी तो फुल ऑन थी.
हाँ.
यहाँ भटिंडे में कॉलेज में फुल ऑन हम दिल दे चुके सनम. लेकिन रोमांस तो बिल्कुल डीडीएलजे वाला था.
वाह.
बस बाबूजी ने कहा नहीं जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. और वो भी आया नहीं ट्रेन पे.
Liar.
शादी से पहले पूछा था इन्होंने पास्ट के बारे में. क्या बताती बोलो? बताती तो करते तुम शादी. याद है अखबार में क्या ऐड दिया था? लंदन में रहने वाले एक मशहूर डॉक्टर को चाहिए एक पंजाबी पत्नी.
पंजाबी पत्नी? वाह.
वाह वाह मत बोलो, पहले पूरा ऐड सुनो.
You still remember?
पूरा का पूरा लाइन बाय लाइन. इसी ऐड ने तो जिंदगी बदल दी थी मेरी. गोरी, कॉन्वेंट एजुकेटेड, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, सुनहरे बालों वाली पंजाबी लड़की जो शराब, तंबाकू, कोई नशा ना करती हो और जिसका किसी पुरुष के साथ कोई संपर्क ना रहा हो.
Meaning virgin.
प्योर.
Poor Basuki.
अरे भटिंडे में तो भीड़ लग गई थी. इन्होंने पूरा होटल जो बुक कर रखा था. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे इंडियन आइडल के ऑडिशन चल रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो कोई मामूली टाइटल थोड़ी है. मिसेस बासुकीनाथ.
बिल्कुल नहीं. मेरे माँ बाप से पूछो, मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट है.
You love him?
फर्क पड़ता है?
Do you?
I love him as much as he loves the Great Britain.
एक और पैक तो बनता है डॉक्टर साहब.
Yes, please. Make me a large one.
Sure.
So, how do you know my virgin wife?
Well, we've had a few drinks together.
Cheers.
Thanks, mate.
ये रहा cocktail of the day, relationship goals.
Wow. Nice.
क्या खाओगी?
फिश एंड चिप्स तो बिल्कुल नहीं. कुछ नया.
ट्राई करने के लिए तो कुछ नहीं बचा. कुछ स्पेशल खाओगी? Come with me. बाहर नहीं लेकर जाता.
बिजी रहते हैं. एक दिन काम पे नहीं जाएंगे ना तो कहीं जाने चली जाएंगे.
और तेरी जान?
मेरी तो बचा ली ना शादी करके. अब दूसरों की बचा रहे.
I really want to meet him. I've told Rohit about him. रोहित को उनसे मिलके बहुत मजा आया.
वो नहीं आएंगे. मेरा बड़ा मन है रोहित से मिलने का.
Come on, we'll all have fun.
बोला ना बिजी हैं. एक दिन काम से जल्दी आ गए तो कहीं घोड़े स्वर्ग से धार जाएंगे.
So why not Saturday?
भगवान मान जाएंगे, वो नहीं मानेंगे. और धनिया काटो.
Tell him your friend's a famous actress. Tell him about my films. Tell him I've invited you to my summer house.
You lied. One more lie. तुमने तो बताया तुम्हारी दोस्त एक्ट्रेस है.
Yes, I am an actor.
Ah. An actress, waitress, or waitress actress?
वो बासुकी वो पार्ट टाइम वेटर का काम करती है.
अच्छा. कभी केट विंसलेट करेगी पार्ट टाइम वेट्रेस का काम?
I'm no Kate Winslet.
मान क्यों नहीं लेती तुम एक्ट्रेस ही नहीं हो?
नहीं, मैं हूँ actor.
Ah.
I'm a failed actor.
How humble.
No, it's true. I'm a failed actor.
Should have cross-checked better.
Stop, बासुकी.
नहीं, बोलने दो उसे.
Well, the problem is you bloody Indians think you can come here and do anything. You know? It'll be a cakewalk. But you need talent to succeed here.
I agree.
You can't ever compete with the British. Their standards are very, very high.
Very, very high.
Silly, you thought you could compete with the English actresses.
How did you compete with the English doctors?
मैंने मेहनत की. I educated myself. I got the best medical education in the whole world.
So did I. I went to the best drama school in the world. I was the creme de la creme at RADA.
RADA.
Royal Academy of Dramatic Art.
Probably you don't have it in you.
Maybe I don't.
You see?
I know.
Yeah, you don't have the talent.
Or their fair skin.
Bollocks.
How many brown characters do you see in English films?
I told you I don't watch films.
बस बहुत हो गया बस.
No, Ira, you tell me, have I ever been discriminated against because of my skin color? England is a fair country.
How true. England is a very, very fair country.
Correct?
अगर इस फेयर कंट्री से तुम्हें इतना ही प्यार है तो शादी करने इंडिया क्यों गए?
Convent educated, English speaking गोरी जिसका किसी पुरुष के साथ संपर्क ना रहा हो.
Third cousin.
मजाक बंद. जाओ देखो कौन है.
Her Majesty's Pizza.
Hey, I didn't think you're gonna come back.
I had to.
Okay, how much is it?
Well, actually, it's complimentary. I checked and we messed up your order.
How sweet. Okay, come on in. Come in. Get in here. Come. Shut the door behind you, please. Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? Free pizza is here.
Free?
I'll take that.
Free? फ्री के पिज्जा में मजा ही कुछ और है.
Rohit? Why is he still here?
You want a drink, mate?
No, I just need Henry's signature.
Oh, okay, sure. Thank you.
I apologize on behalf of Her Majesty's Pizza. We messed up your order. Mr. Henry's a gold card member. I just need him to sign the slip.
Henry? Henry, could you please sign his slip so that he can leave?
He isn't Henry.
He is?
No, he isn't.
How do you know? Have you ever met him before?
Well, no, I haven't. But I have a fair idea what he looks like.
And why doesn't he look like Henry?
Because Henry doesn't look like him.
That's poetic.
Listen, I just need the signature. Or else I need the pizzas back.
Take them back.
Well, now I can't, can I?
Then get Henry's signature.
But he isn't Henry.
Why?
Because by any stretch of the imagination, he doesn't look like him.
Why?
Because Henry's a bloody Brit.
And this man isn't?
No.
Why?
He's Asian, innit, bruv?
You see, Basuki, this man doesn't think you're British. He thinks you're Asian.
Give me the bloody slip. I am British.
You racist pig! This gentleman is a true Brit!
So Henry is cousin. Henry is Lord Cousin.
See? He isn't Henry. I knew that.
Where's he? What did you do to him?
Wait, hold on. You don't even know who Henry is? Who are you people?
Didn't his wife just call you that?
Who said?
Listen, I need you all to tell me who you are and how you got in here. Otherwise, I'm gonna go call the police. I'm gonna go right now. Call the police, yeah? Listen, I don't care who you are or what you do. I don't even need the signature. I'll explain everything to the boss.
Wait, didn't you say you were the boss?
Rohit, what the hell is going on? I want to know the truth.
We are just playing a game, Basuki.
Fun.
No, I'm not interested in any games.
Do you want to play a game?
Listen, please just let me go. I've got pizzas to deliver, and no one likes them cold.
But you're part of the game now.
What game?
Is Lord Curzon dead or alive, Rohit?
That sounds like a great game.
Come on, Basuki. You've already checked the trunk. Let's not start this again.
I told you, he's a buddhu.
Why am I being held up?
Just play a game with us, then you can leave.
Play what?
Let's play truth or dare.
I lose my job.
Just one round. Just one game. Then you may leave.
You're out of your fucking mind, yeah? I'm just gonna leave, yeah?
Hey. Where are your manners, huh? When a lady asks you to do something, you gotta do it.
You gotta do it.
To hell with manners!
Be a gentleman. Do you know how to play, Basuki?
इनको तो लूडो भी नहीं आती.
Okay. It's very simple. You see, it's fairly easy. You take this bottle and you spin. So now you ask me.
Ask what?
Say truth or dare.
I say truth or dare.
Yeah, you're doing good, Basuki.
Am I?
Yes. I choose truth.
Bloody liar.
Ask me anything. You'll see I never lie.
Who the hell is Lord Curzon?
मालूम था यार यही पूछोगे.
No lies.
No, never. Nothing but the truth.
Okay, good. बताओ.
कोई लॉर्ड शॉर्ड नहीं है वो. हम लोग मजाक में उसे लॉर्ड कर्जन बुलाते हैं. He was a miserable old man. Slightly delusional, though. He thought he believed in equality, but was actually a racist pig. He thought he was superior to others, but was actually fucking miserable. He thought that he could destroy my life, kill my dreams. He thought he could send me back! But I'm still here. I've won! You see.
Did he work in the Home Office?
Henry Curzon. ये उसका घर है. ये सोफा भी उसका. जो पी वो आयरिश विस्की भी उसकी.
तो वो कहाँ है?
बस एक सवाल डॉक. गेम का यही रूल है ना? मैंने सीधा सीधा जवाब दे दिया एक सवाल का. Your turn, babe.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Do you think a brown-skinned person could ever truly be English?
I pass.
You can't. Rules of the game.
Ask me anything else.
Do you think anyone in this room could ever truly be Brit? Your turn.
There.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Where's Henry?
In his house.
You mean this house?
That's another question, but yes, in this very house.
Then why don't I see him?
Okay, that's another question.
Rohit, your turn.
Dare.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
You sure?
बिल्कुल. डरपोक नहीं हो तुम लोगों की तरह.
सोच लो. Kiss your husband.
ओ हस्बैंड जी आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ
पागल मत बना.
शर्मा क्यों रहे हो आ जाओ ये किसी तो करनी है
पागल मत बना.
क्यों 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 गेम तो खेल रहे हैं नहीं किसी तो करना है आ जाओ किस करना है एक बस
Ira, please.
हाँ ना शर्म आ रही है शर्म आ रही है
Ira, what you doing?
इधर आ जाओ देखो देखो इधर
Ira, what you doing? Ira!
शर्म आ रही है देखो
Ira, what? Just stop this nonsense. What the hell?
You can't pass.
Henry?
Cousin? Oh my God, he's dead.
This wasn't part of the plan.
ये तो सच्ची में cousin है.
You guys are murderers.
अबे आधे अंग्रेज मुंह बंद कर आके हाथ बटा.
You too, Basuki.
No, I refuse to be a part of this criminal offense.
Are you coming?
No fucking way, mate.
No fucking way.
All right. I'll help you. But I'm not doing it out of my free will.
Oh, कोई बात नहीं. आजा. Get his hands. Hurry up. Use your fucking strength, man. Put him down. Come on.
Let me fucking go!
It's hurting!
Let it fucking hurt!
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 It's hurting!
Let it fucking hurt! Let it fucking
लगाओ. क्या बोलोगे?
Just come to your senses, okay?
बताओ क्यों शादी की मुझसे?
You're scaring me.
मैं पसंद नहीं हूँ ना?
Just calm down. Just listen to me. Just calm down.
बताओ कैसी लग रही है इस ड्रेस में?
बहुत अच्छी लग रही है। बहुत अच्छी लग रही है।
अच्छी लग रही हूँ?
Yes. It's very pretty.
Very pretty.
Yes, very pretty. Listen to me. Just calm down, okay?
किस करने में शर्म क्यों आती है? Kiss me. बोला ना? Kiss me. Kiss me. पानी गरम है बाथरूम में। सानिया, कुछ पहनने को दे दो।
You done?
कैसी हो?
धुएं धुएं सी लगता है उड़ रही हूँ।
ऐसा ही लगता है पहली बार। लाइट। वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ लाइट।
Let's go. सबको try on. अब क्या हुआ?
तुम लोग चलो, मैं आता हूँ।
Hi, this is an emergency. My house is under attack. But they're intruders. But they look Indian or maybe Pakis. Oh, I don't know, bloody brownies.
Sir, what's your name?
Henry Curzon.
We're sending officers to your address.
कितना सुंदर शहर है ना?
मुझे तो प्यार है इस जगह से। मैं दुनिया में कहीं और नहीं रहना चाहता।
सब कुछ सपने जैसा लग रहा है।
साले अंग्रेजों को हमने 200 साल अपने घर में रखा, वो मुझे 2 साल का भी वीजा नहीं दे सकते।
मेरा तो स्पाउस वीजा है। अब भटिंडे वापस भेज देंगे। नहीं जाना।
In other news, the issue of squatters in the UK is escalating enormously. In the most recent episode, 3 dead bodies were recovered from a summer home in the outskirts of London. The police are yet to confirm the identities of the bodies. And now to the weather forecast.
Thank you.